In this video, we are going to see how we can resolve this HTTP error 400. The size of the request headers is too long, bad request. And this appears whenever you're trying to add watermark. So if that's the case, here's how you can solve this in Microsoft Word. So first of all, just close the error and go to File menu and click on Options at the bottom. Go to General tab and scroll down until you see this Privacy Settings. Click on that. And if we scroll down a little bit, it says Experience that download online content. Go to this section and make sure to turn off the experience that download online content. Just uncheck that. Click OK. And it says restart is required. Click OK. OK. Close Microsoft Word and then reopen. After that, we just click on the Design tab. Click on the watermark. Select that watermark, whatever you want to apply. And you can see it is applied without any problem. And also let's try custom watermark where the error appeared. Select a picture watermark, work offline. Let's say this is the watermark you want to insert. Click OK. And as you can see, it is inserted without any problem. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next one.